All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
A Taiwan-based drone manufacturing company that supplies drones to India has firmly denied any collaboration or ongoing talks with Pakistan, even as reports emerge of a Karachi-based defense firm allegedly exploring ties to acquire its combat UAVs. The said Taiwanese company, Drones Vision, is based in Keelung City, a major port city in northeastern Taiwan, and specializes in militarized unmanned aerial vehicles and anti-UAV technologies. Its products, including the Revolver 860 combat drone, have gained attention for their battlefield utility and have reportedly been used by Ukrainian forces in their war with Russia. The name of the Karachi-based company is Universal Smart Military Systems, USMS, which is headed by Aman Jalal Khan and is amongst one of the primary partners of the Pakistan Air Force and has been given a place at the National Aerospace Science and Technology Park, NASP, whose primary objective is to enhance the nation's capabilities in the aerospace industry by establishing clusters and innovation hubs throughout the country. Among the platforms that USMS has reportedly promised to interested parties is Drones Vision's Revolver 860, a combat rotor drone that can carry up to 860 mm mortar rounds with a total payload of 42 kilograms. It can remain airborne for 20 to 40 minutes depending on load and wind conditions, and is designed to drop explosives with precision from a safe distance. When contacted by the Sunday Guardian, Drones Vision issued a categorical denial of any dealings with Pakistan, citing both national policy and export regulations. To date, we have not conducted any transactions, business engagements, or received any end-user certificates, EUCs, from the country you mentioned, the company said in an emailed response. Our solutions are classified as strategic high-tech commodities, and as such, an official export permit is required prior to any international shipment or sales activity. In light of geopolitical sensitivities and in strict accordance with Taiwan's export control regulations, there are clearly defined restrictions regarding the countries we are permitted to engage in business with. Drones Vision remains fully compliant with all applicable laws and regulations. It is pertinent to mention that Pakistan has significantly ramped up its investments in drone warfare in recent years, viewing UAVs as a cost-effective and potent alternative to conventional weapon systems. Between 2020 and 2025, as per official estimates, Pakistan is estimated to have spent between $200 million and $500 million on drone acquisitions. This includes approximately $130 to $260 million on Chinese-origin drones like the Winglong 2 and CH-4, and an additional $75 to $200 million on Turkish UAVs, including the Bayraktar TB2 and Akinci. Domestic programs such as the Shah-2 and Barak have also received funding, though on a comparatively modest scale of $10 to $40 million. The emergence of Pakistani interest in a Taiwanese UAV platform is unprecedented, particularly given the sensitive geopolitical triangle between Taiwan, India, and Pakistan. Taiwan maintains a growing strategic relationship with India, especially in the tech and defense domains, while Pakistan remains a close ally of China, Taiwan's principal adversary. The response of Drones Vision has brought to the fore the increasing instances of UAV proliferation, where third-party actors exploit brand equity or high-tech reputations to attract military attention, regardless of actual business ties or export viability.